What's up, everyone? Welcome back to All About Panama. Today, we're diving into a world of color, mystery, and natural beauty, Panama's fascinating plants. From gigantic trees to carnivorous plants and flowers you won't believe are real, Panama has one of the most diverse plant ecosystems on the planet. Stick around as we uncover the secrets of the jungle and show you why Panama's flora is as jaw-dropping as its wildlife. Let's jump right in. Panama might be famous for its canal and stunning beaches, but its plant life is a treasure trove all on its own. Thanks to its tropical climate and location as a bridge between North and South America, Panama has over 10,000 species of plants. That's right, 10,000. Whether you're in a humid rainforest, a dry forest, or even a mountain cloud forest, there are endless plants to discover. And guess what? Some of these plants are found nowhere else in the world. So, let's explore a few of the most unique plants you can find here in Panama. Let's start with one of the giants of the jungle, the mighty ceiba tree. Also known as the kapok tree, this is one of the tallest trees in Central America, reaching heights of up to 230 feet. Look at those roots, they're called buttress roots, and they help this massive tree stay grounded in the often thin rainforest soil. The ceiba tree isn't just tall, it's also culturally significant. Many indigenous groups believe the tree is sacred, representing a connection between Earth and the spirit world. And it's not just humans that depend on it. This tree provides a home for all sorts of wildlife, from birds to monkeys to insects. Next up, let's add a splash of color with heliconias. These tropical beauties are sometimes called lobster claws because of their unique shape. They come in striking colors like red, yellow, and orange, making them hard to miss in the rainforest. Heliconias aren't just pretty, they're super important for the ecosystem. Their unique structure is designed to attract hummingbirds, which are one of their main pollinators. The flowers even have a special trick. Each bloom holds a little bit of nectar that hummingbirds love, making these plants a must-visit buffet in the jungle. Did you know? Heliconias have natural landing pads for hummingbirds, making it easy for them to get to the nectar. Orchids are probably the rock stars of the plant world, and in Panama, they're everywhere. In fact, Panama is home to over 1,200 species of orchids, making it one of the best places in the world to see these stunning flowers in their natural habitat. One of the most famous orchids here is the Holy Ghost orchid, which is also Panama's national flower. It's called the Holy Ghost orchid because the flower looks like it has a little white dove inside. Isn't that amazing? These orchids are rare, but if you're lucky enough to spot one in the wild, it's like discovering a hidden treasure. Fun fact: the Holy Ghost orchid is believed to have spiritual significance and is protected by law in Panama. Did you know Panama has its very own jungle predators that are plants? That's right, carnivorous plants can be found here, like the bladderworts and sundews. These plants have evolved to trap and digest insects in order to get the nutrients they need. Bladderworts, for example, have tiny little sacs that suck in and trap unsuspecting insects. Sundews, on the other hand, have sticky leaves that act like flypaper. When an insect lands on it, it's game over. This might sound a bit creepy, but these plants actually play a crucial role in controlling insect populations in the rainforest. Did you know? Carnivorous plants usually grow in nutrient-poor soil, so they rely on insects to survive. Another fascinating plant you'll see in Panama is bamboo. This might surprise you, but bamboo is actually one of the fastest-growing plants in the world. In the right conditions, it can grow up to 35 inches in a single day. Crazy, right? Bamboo is also super versatile. It's used in everything from construction to crafts to food. Bamboo shoots are even edible. Here in Panama, you'll see bamboo forests, and sometimes even bamboo houses. And because it grows so quickly, it's also one of the most eco-friendly building materials on the planet. Fun fact: bamboo absorbs more carbon dioxide than trees, making it a great plant for fighting climate change. And let's not forget about rubber trees. Panama's rubber trees are a unique part of the country's flora. The sap from these trees, called latex, can be collected and used to make rubber. This natural rubber has been used for thousands of years by indigenous communities for everything from waterproofing to making balls for games. Rubber trees are also fascinating to look at. Their bark is thin and smooth, and they grow incredibly tall. Plus, the latex oozing out of the trees is like watching nature's own science experiment. Did you know? The rubber tree's latex sap was highly prized by indigenous tribes, and it's still used for natural rubber production today. Now, while Panama's plants are beautiful and fascinating, they're also essential to the planet. These plants are a major part of the rainforest ecosystem, providing food and shelter for countless species. They also play a vital role in regulating the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Unfortunately, deforestation and human development pose threats to these amazing plants and the ecosystems they support. Organizations in Panama are working hard to protect the rainforest and its flora, but conservation requires everyone's help. When you visit Panama, remember to respect nature and support eco-friendly tourism. Fun fact: the rainforests of Panama absorb tons of carbon dioxide, making them a natural shield against climate change. Alright, plant lovers, that's it for today's episode on the fascinating plants of Panama. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through the lush, vibrant, and sometimes mysterious plant life here. Which plant surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and hey, if you're planning to visit Panama, make sure to keep an eye out for these incredible plants in the wild. There's nothing like seeing them up close. Don't forget to subscribe to All About Panama for more amazing content about this beautiful country, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.